Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be watching Mom Leaves 5-year-old Kid Alone for Drugs by Karen Cam. This is channel if y'all want to go subscribe to them. I do not own copyright of this video. Wait.
What's wrong? Hello? She went to the store.
You leave your 5-year-old home alone so you can go smoke weed.
You gotta hang the phone up. We're gonna handcuff you. Don't make it worse.
On March 7th, 2023, at around 6:45 p.m., police received a call regarding the desperate cries of a child in need. Upon their arrival, they discovered a vulnerable 5-year-old boy alone and crying for help outside an apartment building.
Yeah.
Hi, did you call?
Yes, I did. Hey, y'all, come here.
What happened there?
There was a little kid saying help.
A little what?
A little kid next door saying help. My mommy got. Mommy and dad, somebody help me.
Were they outside, inside?
The kid was outside.
The kid was outside? How old was the kid?
He was like 5.
Okay. Did they bring him back inside or?
A person came in there.
Is it that kid?
Is that it? What's wrong? Hello? Police department! Hello? She went to the store. Police department.
She do know they can't call CPS on her, right?
Where'd they go? What store did they go to?
Apple Street.
The what?
Apple.
The Apple store?
It's close to our house.
Yeah, it's right down the street. How long have they been gone?
Keith Foster, South Jackson.
Yeah, that's my
3001 and
Where's he
Foster's
at?
your dad?
yeah.
Does he live with you?
Why would you leave your kid home for drugs anyway? That lets me know what type of person you is.
Yeah.
Did your mom and dad both go to the store together?
No, my dad's at my papa's house.
Your dad's at your papa's house? Do you know the phone number there?
Yeah.
You do? Where's the phone? You have a phone in here?
No.
No?
I saw your phone, but it's dead.
Okay. So your mom left you, went to the Big Apple store?
Let me see if I'm still recording. Okay.
How long has she been gone? You don't know?
How old are you?
5.
5. What's your name?
People been breaking into our house, but
People have been breaking into your house.
yeah, and they messing up our house. Mommy, you left me home alone.
Yes, what's going on? I just went to go see Grandma for a second.
You left me home alone.
What happened?
He had the door open, was yelling for you.
I left
The
it
neighbors
on
called.
alone.
Why you ain't come my street
No, hold on. Where's Grandma live?
Right across the street.
Why don't you take him with you?
I just went over there real quick.
Do you have an ID?
Yes, sir.